Wow.
La lama.
No hay tarjetas que sean doradas.
Todas son así, caballero. Así, mira.
No se figuren.
Mira. Estas son eróticas.
Eróticas.
Este es de Lima.
I want the gold ones. The gold ones.
Jueguito, 10 soles nomás. I have this other Instagram account that I created 4 years ago because when I learned to surf, there were no like girls that surfed
Which one was
a
it?
lot. Huh?
Which one was it?
Girl Meet Surf Peru. Yeah, so I had this blog and I started it myself and I tried to make a web page, but I think that our target is more on Instagram, so I get only the Instagram account. Then like the years passed and I haven't posted like too much content or made any video, just had it like there. And the idea was like to encourage more girls to surf and to know more about our lifestyle and what do we do, because it's really cool. And and like we have the concept but we don't work as much as we would want to.
Who's we? Boyfriend?
I started alone, but now I have 2 friends. One is called Natalia and the other friend is called Greece, but in Spanish, Grecia. Grecia. Grecia and Natalia are helping me. And we are not pro surfers, we just are free riders, free surfers. So this brand of surfing, like clothing, contact us, and today we have a meeting and they told us like we love like your blog. I think you should like take advantage of your concept and really work a lot with it because I think we can make a really nice project and stuff. And we were like, yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah, so they told us like, yeah, we love your presentation, like we made a PowerPoint presentation, like how are we, whatever, and what do we want. And she told us to make a video like introducing ourselves, like I'm Alexa, she's Natalia, she's Grecia. We wanted to make this video, so we're going to do it tomorrow 5 a.m.
Uh-oh.
Yes. And nada, that's it. But we have to make it tomorrow and edit it tomorrow. Everything right now.
Today?
Yeah.
Right now?
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Okay, then I have to shower.
Go.
I get a shower.
Go.
Let's finish.
Be the one, and I know you wanna spend your time in a better place. What you really want, I know you cry, I know you try, I know you feel, I know you lie. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that. I want you, you want me, you feel that, I know that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that.
Wait. Wait. No. Wait. Yeah.
What's wrong with my forehead?
A bump?
I hit the board.
I don't wanna be like this. No more, no more, no more. I love you, you love me, you know that, I feel that. I love you, you love me.
It's me, JP Crack.
Okay, so this guy will give me the worst headache in the world.
Well,
The worst thing you can do is like record me while I'm eating. You're like a lame eater.
lame stop. You like it?
So good.
Really?
Yeah.
Yay! You have to eat it all. And then with the onions with the tomato and everything.
Oh yeah.
Give me the onions, I'm starving.
Throw the onion
What?
in
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That you're on a diet.
Oh yeah.
Get the dessert.
Oh yeah.
I forgot.
I hear you, Jake. I heard you.
No, you didn't.
I heard you.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Say.
I have ears observing everywhere. I hear you.
Yeah.
Yes.
I gotta watch.
Can you?
Yeah, creme brulee. Yeah.
Oh my god, I have to go to the bathroom.
Take a seat.
Huh?
Just take a cut.
Yeah.
So you can see your
Don't
food.
put this thing on your video, okay?
It's already in. It's uploading the live stream.
What are you waiting for?
Wait, wait.
For a very special day.
Stupid shit, I have to go to my class, okay?
Hurry up.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Da, 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 da.
Where'd you go?
Okay.
2 hours later.
What are you doing? Nice and ready. What the hell? Are you serious? Oh
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alexa. Happy birthday to you. Cumpleaños feliz. Te deseamos a ti. Cumpleaños felices. Te deseamos a ti.
Happy birthday. Yeah.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die like little Lala.
I'm on a diet.
Round 2.
That is my dream.
Please, please.